Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you. Hi, welcome to Murli Maths class. So today we'll learn trigonometry exercise 11.4. In that we will learn now how to solve a seventh problem. Prove that sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square equals to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. This we need to get. Okay. Yes. Now we will see how to solve this. How to get this answer. Solution. So what we have to do? We have to prove that. So take LHS. Take LHS and simplify that one. Okay. LHS. What is LHS given? Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square equals to. Now this is a formula. A plus B whole square formula we have to use. So what is A plus B whole square formula? A plus B whole square formula is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So this is A. Here it is B. In this it is A. This is B. A plus B whole square. What is the answer? A square plus B square plus 2AB. So that answer you have to write. Okay. A square means what? Sin square plus B square means what? Cosecant square A plus 2AB. So 2 into sin A into cosecant A plus, for this also apply the same formula. A square means cos square A, B square means secant square A plus 2AB means 2 into cos A into secant A. Cos A into secant A. Okay. Now observe this. Observe this sin square A, cos square A. This both if you add, it becomes one trigonometric identity. Sin square A plus cos square A. Okay. So that we will write at the starting. Okay. Sin square A. This you write next plus cos square A. Next what we will do? We write this cosecant square A as it is plus 2 into sin A into this one. Observe cosecant A. Cosecant A means what? Cosecant A means 1 by sin A. Cos square A I wrote here, remaining as it is. Secant square A you write plus 2 into cos A into secant A. Secant A means what? 1 by cos A. Now we can cancel this. Cancel. Cos A cancel. Sin A cancel. So 2 into 1, 2 will be there. Here also 2 into 1, 2 will be there. Okay. Yes. Equals to sin square A plus cos square A. This both addition how much will get? 1 plus This is cosecant square A plus here 2 into 1 2 plus secant square A as it is plus here again 2. Now add all this. How much will you get? 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 plus remaining same cosecant square A plus secant square A, that is same as it is. Now again we need to use some formulas here. For secant square A and for cosecant square A we have to use formulas. So I will write the formulas here. See here, we know that secant square A minus tan square A equals to 1. This we know, okay? From this we need to get this answer. Secant square A answer we need to get. Minus tan square A is there, no? Take it on right hand side. We will get secant square A equals to 1 plus tan square A. So secant square A answer we got. In the same way we have to get cosecant square A answer. We know that cosecant square A minus cot square A equals to 1. Minus cot square A is there, no? Take it on right hand side. We will get cosecant square A equals to 1 plus cot square A. So what are the answers now? Cosecant square A answer is 1 plus cot square A. Secant square A answer is 1 plus tan square A. Substitute here. 5 plus cosecant square A answer 1 plus cot square A. 1 plus cot square A plus secant square A answer 1 plus tan square A. Now add some constant 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 7. So 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Tan square A here I wrote plus cot square A here I wrote. We can write like this, no problem, okay? That is equals to RHS. That's it. RHS we got this one, this 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. See there RHS in the problem equals to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. This is the RHS. The same RHS we got. 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. That's it. Okay. Just applying this A plus B whole square formula, simplifying step by step and using this trigonometric identities. Okay. That's it. Thank you.